Hey guys! Raisa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the top 5 for May. So, ginawa kong top 5 yung aking favorites for May. Kasi gusto kong pili lang yung aking mga favorites. As in, sila talaga yung mga most recommended ko. Yung mga must try ninyo guys. So, I'm going to do this as a series. Imbes na mag-favorites video tayo, pwede mag top 5. Top 5 of the month lang. I'm not quite sure. Maybe next month, mas marami yung aking favorites. But this month, we have the top 5. And anyway, don't mind my bare face. Sanay na naman kayo dyan. And I have 2 friends right here. Natutuyo na sila actually. But anyway, today is just going to be a chill video. I need to catch up. Papunta na ako sa sleep. Matutulog na sana ako. But I need to do some catch up with my upload. So, first is my body spray. This is from Bath & Body Works. Yeah. It's their Holiday Traditions Twisted Peppermint. Yeah. Twisted Peppermint. And tingnan nyo guys kung nasaan ako. I'm here and parang 2 weeks pa lang to nasa akin. Hindi naman, mga 3 weeks pa lang to sa akin. I use this all over my body and I smell like Christmas. Amoy siya yung... Kaamoy niya yung parang candy cane. Candy cane ba tawag doon? Yung candy na nakatwist na para siyang baston, something like that. Parang ganun yung amoy niya. And it's mint, it's peppermint. So, it's very, very cooling pag in-spray mo. And it's perfect sa gym. My favorite holiday is Christmas. It will always be Christmas. I love Christmas. I love that season. So, this is just a must-have for me. Ang bango nito. I suggest you try this one out too. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga mint scents, yung mga cooling scents like that, na merong may konting twist ng sweetness. So, yeah. Next is my Bench Organics 92% Aloe Face and Body Mist. So currently, ako ay gumagamit ng iba-ibang skincare every 2 weeks. And right now, meron nag-send sa akin yung the Skin Bureau ng kanilang beauty set, which they have the toner. And you know me guys, I will go for it kahit hindi ako masyadong nagto-toner. So hindi talaga ako nagto-toner on a regular basis. Pero dahil may toner yung set na yun, ginagamit ko siya. And it dried out my face really drastic. I used that in conjunction with the moisturizer that it came with, pero hindi pa rin effective yung moisturizer. Dahil nga siguro to begin with, I have dry skin. So, nung dinagdag ko yung toner, sobrang lumala. And I don't have any solution para matanggal yung dryness na yun. And ang pangit niya tignan kapag umaga, especially kapag nasa office. Kaya to counteract that super patchy dryness galore, ito ang ginagamit ko. So, I just spray this on my face. I can use some right now. Yeah, I think I can use some. I just spray this all over my face and it gives me an instant boost of moisture. Kapag ka-spray ko, I usually tap it para mas ma-absorb kagad ng face yung moisture. So, okay na okay ito. Ang ayoko lang yung kanyang spray. Para siyang splash ng... Hindi siya fine mist yun ang term. Hindi siya fine mist. So, para siyang may... Hindi siya ganun. Ganun siya. Hindi siya ganun. Hirap explain nyo guys. But ang ganda nito. So, it's really refreshing if you are looking for a cheap aloe treatment or aloe boost on your face. Okay na okay to. Try nyo to. Next is another facial mist. Oh my gulay. So, this is the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs and Rose Water. I'm not really a fan of anything rose-scented. Hindi ako mahilig sa amoy ng straight-up rose. Pero ito, may konti siyang asim sa kanya. Of course, the rose scent is really dominant. Pero may konting aloe and herbs na amoy sa kanya. So, hindi siya kasing harsh ng mga amoy ng rose. Maganda yung kanyang spray. Yeah, maganda yung... Hindi ko alam kung makikita ninyo, guys. Yeah. Maganda yung spray sa kanya. And ang ganda ng pakiramdam after spraying it. I use this after I put on my makeup. Just to get rid of any patchiness in case. So, in-spray ko siya right there and it does not disturb my makeup at all. Hindi siya nagkakaroon ng patsi-patsi or hindi siya nagkakaroon ng namumuo na spray. Hindi siya ganun. I also use this before applying makeup. So, before and after. Before naman, it gives me another boost of moisture. This is actually a cult fave. Gusto ko itong itry. This is available sa Sephora PH. Pero lagi siyang out of stock. So, nung nag-VIB sale, I call it VIB sale. Pero nung nagkaroon ng 20% off sa Sephora website, I made sure na I grab one. And I really love it. So, I suggest you try this one out. It's really worth your money. It's only worth 600 pesos. So, I love it, you guys. I love it. You should try it. My next favorite is wala sa akin ngayon. Nandun siya sa aking office makeup bag because I use it really constantly for straight up 3 weeks now. So, mula nung nireview ko tong foundation na to, hindi ko na siya talaga tinigilan. As in, wala na akong ibang ginamit. Kahit yung pina-project pan ko na BB cream, hindi ko na ginalaw. Kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. So, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I have it in the shade Soft Beige, if I'm not mistaken. I will just link it below. Pero alam ko soft beige yung shade ko dun. And I got the perfect shade. It has a lot of shade range. I did a full review on that foundation and I really loved it. And makikita naman doon sa video yung effect niya sa akin throughout the day. Hindi siya naghulas. Hindi niya in-emphasize yung aking dryness. Walang negativity sa kanya, promise you guys. So, just flash the picture right now. Yeah, just in case na hindi kayo familiar, but that's the foundation I'm constantly wearing. It's becoming my #1 foundation. Kung meron akong favorites ko ngayon, sa top 5 ko ngayon, yun. Yung Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Next, and my final favorites is the KL Polish in the shade Pistachio Ice Cream. I will link below kung saan ko to binili. Kay Impress Nails because hindi naman wala masyadong nagbebenta locally ng mga KL Polish. Kung meron man, masyadong pricey. So, check that site out. 670 lang sa kanya. I know, mahal ang 670 for a nail polish, pero it's Kathleen. So, yeah. Hindi ko kinukompleto yung KL Polish line. Pumipili lang ako ng mga 3 shades from the collection. But for the, I think that's the spring line. Tatlo yung pinili ko. So, it's St. Clair, Pistachio Ice Cream, and yung That's What She Said. Ang favorite ko doon sa tatlo is yung Pistachio Ice Cream just because I think it's really unique. Kathleen Light's favorite is the St. Clair, pero marami siyang dupe. It's a Periwinkle Blue. Madali lang siyang hanapin. Meron siyang local dupe. Kung merong Essie, yung Bikini Sotini is the dupe, but I think Pistachio Ice Cream is really unique. Sorry, hindi ko siya suot ngayon, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty much the same kung ano yung nasa bote. It's totally opaque in 2 coats. Hindi mo na kailangan ng paulit-ulit na paglagay. Actually, you can go with 1 coater. Okay na rin siya. But basically, ang pinakagusto ko talagang feature nito is yung kanyang itsura. Mukha talaga siyang pistachio. Not pistachio ice cream. It's just pistachio, yung nut. I don't have anything like this. So, I love it. I really love it. So, that's my top 5 for May. But, of course, we have an honorable mention because I am so in love with this product. Ito yung aking beauty blender holder. I will include one in my giveaways. This perfectly holds my beauty blender and also my Real Techniques. Especially kapag expanded to. Ito kasi ito yun eh. So, pag nag-expand siya, sobrang fit na fit siya dito and ang daling patuyuin ng aking sponge and all that stuff. So, I'm really loving it. It's unique and it's cool looking. Ayan. So, kung mahilig kayo sa mga metals, meron sila ng rose gold, meron silver, and of course, meron itong gold. This is perfect for your vanity, you guys. So, that's it for this video, you guys. Pasensya na, wala masyadong ganap. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Those are my top recommended. So, you know the drill, guys. Like this video, comment below kung ano yung favorite nyo for the month of May, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Always remember, be beautiful, be you. Bye! BBW, it's their holiday. That's what she said. That's what she said. But it perfectly holds, but this perfectly